Hello viewers. Today, we are covering the 5 best belt sander on the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. If you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. So, let's get started. Number 1. Our overall best pick for the money is Win6502 Belt Sander. Although sanding may be a tedious task, there is no reason you cannot enjoy it with the right sander. In this regard, the WEN6502 is best suited for your purpose, flaunting a sleek design and attractive color combination. It looks like a modern radio set, and you can be sure that using it will be like music to your ears. This is a capable 2-in-1 belt sander that is equipped with 2 disc belts measuring 4 inches by 36 inches and 6 inches by 6 inches respectively. The belts are complemented by its ability to tilt from 0 to 90 degrees to provide better coverage and productive output. This makes the belt sander suited for heavy-duty jobs, and so it is fitted with a cast iron base. The base prevents heavy vibrations and allows you to have a firm grip on the handheld belt device. Furthermore, to cater to rigorous tasks, the belt sander comes with a 4.3 amp motor that offers 3,600 RPM that is more than enough to prevent your device from bogging down. This power also takes care of sanding, smoothing, and removing splinters or jagged edges from wood. Number 2. Our second best pick is Makita 9403 Belt Sander. In movies, we often see an actor playing a double role. So, this brand, too, makes repeated appearances through numerous models. But just as the 2 characters played by the same actor are different, similarly, 2 models from the same brand are never the same. The Makita 9403 has made certain upgrades to cement its place in the market. This is a 4x24 inches tool that not only offers a lot of power and speed but is also quieter as compared to the earlier sander from this brand. The noise level is just 84 dB, which means that the belt sander hardly makes any sound even during the most strenuous projects. Furthermore, the sander comes with a dust bag that is made of cloth, and there is a reason that this is important. This dust bag is efficient in stock removal, which is a positive aspect for anyone from professionals to non-regular users. Now, coming to power, this sander has an 11 amp motor that is one of the most powerful motors going around. So, to control the power, you have at your service an electronic speed control system. However, the significant improvement of this tool is the inclusion of a replaceable ceramic or plate that provides a better balance. Number 3. Our third best pick is Win6321 Belt Sander. This tool comes in an all-black look with splashes of orange that makes you take notice. The WEN6321 is an improvement on the earlier model, and what it does well is to focus on the finishing. Thus, you will be happy with the perfect finish that can make your sanding project stand out. This tool has a 7 amp motor that rotates the belt at 820 feet per minute, which means that it can get through any sanding project quickly and efficiently. This belt is compact too, and incredibly lightweight, thereby reducing fatigue and making long working hours possible. Further enhancing the user-friendliness is the lock and safety function that makes sure you do not need to have a grip on the trigger at all times. Also, the belt sander has a tracking adjustment knob that ensures the belt is working fine. Complementing this feature is the quick release function, which makes it easy for you to change the sandpapers or adjust the grits with the utmost ease. Besides, the front roller has an extended front past the housing edge, which has the benefit of allowing you to reach the tight spots or corners. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is BLACK+DECKER DS321 Dragster Belt Sander. As the name suggests, this is a fresh product that has black as its primary color scheme. The BLACK+DECKER DS321 Dragster is a highly versatile tool that provides customers with much-needed satisfaction during work. It may not have the muscular build like other belt sanders, but it sure does pack a punch. The versatility this tool promises is due to the front roller that makes it possible to reach even tight spots. This reduces the need to flush sand, and you can save valuable time while at work. For power, it has been equipped with a 6 amp motor that is good enough to manage most projects. Now, to control this power, this belt sander has been equipped with a retractable, 3-position handle that allows you to make quick changes to your paper. Further improving the control is a belt release lever and adjustment knob that keeps the belt in the proper position. This ensures that you have one less thing to worry about. Thus, it is a user-friendly product as well, and this is seen in the dust collector that comes with it. This dust collector is exceptionally efficient in that it not only keeps your bench top clean but also provides you with better visibility while sanding. Number 5. Last but not the least, our 5th best pick is Makita 9903 Variable Speed Belt Sander. Makita is well known for making sturdy, fast, and user-friendly tools, and the Makita 9903 Variable Speed certainly scores well in all those aspects. With its fair share of top-notch features, you are sure to take a liking to this sander. This belt sander is powered by an 8.8 amp motor and has the ability to maintain consistent speed even under load. This is made possible by the electronic speed control, which allows you to manage the speed as per your sanding needs. Thus, the belt sander is fast as well as accurate and can remove different materials efficiently. The sander also comes with an auto-tracking belt system, which ensures that it tracks the belt without any adjustment. Besides, the innovative design even provides you with the option of sand flushing the wall with the nose and side of the belt sander. On top of this, the sander does not make much noise, which is not only ideal for the workstation but is also sure to keep your neighbors happy. This handheld sander produces only 85 dB of sound, making it one of the quietest models going around. So, grab this while you can. Be sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.